Hello everyone! Starting with the eyes, I'm just using liquid lipstick here. I'm using a paintbrush, but you can use any brush. Using my reference photo, I'm drawing the shape on both of my eyelids. So here I'm going to be repeating the same thing on the other eye. I am checking both eyes and trying to make the shape look as similar as possible. I'm not trying to be perfect here though. So at this point, I'm just going in and filling in the shape that we have created. I'm only adding color up to my eyelid crease, and I'm keeping it kind of patchy because I like that look. Gotta do a little vibe check, make sure that we're on the right track. Okay, if you just watched that and thought I can't draw flames on my eyelid, then I have the solution for you. You're going to trace it on a piece of paper. The very first step is to find an image that you do like with a shape that you like. Before you trace the image, first mark how wide your eyelid is on the paper, and then second, fold the paper before you cut the shape out, and you'll see why that's important very soon. Alright, so I have my shape here. I'm just putting it on my eyelid where I like it. I'm grabbing a wider and denser brush for this, and basically once you line up your shape, you're just gonna go in and you're gonna fill it in. I wanted my shape to have a sharper point, and I'm lining it back up and filling it in again. Now for the other eye, you're basically just going to fold your paper inside out, or fold it the other way. Basically that just prevents any smudging. That way you don't have to cut out the shape twice, you can just use the same template. Finally, we're just going to blend out the eyeshadow, and yeah, that's the look, y'all. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. I'm going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in Ebony, and I'm basically just going to be brushing on my eyebrows. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in medium, and I'm just placing it under my eyes and I'm blending it out. Next, I'm using this ColourPop highlighter, and I'm just going in and I'm putting it on my nose, the inner corners of my eyes, and on the high points of my cheek. I was too lazy to go find blush, so I'm just using the same liquid lipstick I used on my eyes, and I'm taking a very small amount and placing it on my face. And then I'm putting whatever was left over on my lips, just to give it some more color. And as a final touch, I'm going in with some eyeliner, just giving my eyes some more definition. And we're done.